In your completed notes for this problem, I show 3 different methods for solving this. In the video, I'm just going to show one method, which is the method of starting to look at what's happening with our terms. So I'm going to do the same thing I did above. I'm going to note that u sub n minus 1 would be equal to 2 u sub n minus 2 plus 1. That means my u sub n is going to be 2 times u sub n minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, I could continue this or expand this. I would get 2 squared times u to the n minus 2 plus 2 plus 1. If I looked at u sub n minus 2, that's the same as 2 times u sub n minus 3 plus 1. So I could substitute that in, 2 squared times u sub n minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. That's going to give me 2 cubed u to the n minus 3 plus 2 squared plus 2 plus 1. So I can see that I've got my geometric series term here. So I know that this one's going to end up being 2 to the n minus 1 times u1. Plus, now I've got a sum from n equals 0, sorry, not n, we should say k, to n minus 2 terms of 2 to the n power. I know that this is the sum of a geometric series, so I'm going to end up with 2 to the n minus 1 times u1 plus 1 times 2 to the n minus 1 terms minus 1 over 2 minus 1. All right, I can expand and simplify this knowing that my u1 is 1, so I would get 2 to the n minus 1 plus 2 to the n minus 1 minus 1. Factoring out 2 to the n minus 1 gives me 1 plus negative 1. What? Oh, sorry, no, that's 2 of those. That's not a, this is not a whole term. So I have 2 to the n minus 1's minus 1, which is the same as 2 to the n minus 1. So here's my general term, and this was one method of finding it. Again, in the completed notes, there's 2 other methods that you might want to look at.